Most people don't stay broke because they don't earn enough. They stay broke because of habits nobody ever taught them. So here are the money rules I wish I knew at 18. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. The moment money comes in, send a fixed slice straight into savings, before you spend a single cent. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. Rule 2. Don't let your lifestyle grow every time your income does. A bigger car, a nicer phone, the upgrade you didn't need. Earn more, but live like your raise never happened, and invest the difference. Rule 3. Start now, not later. A small amount invested in your teens can beat a large amount invested in your 40s, purely because of compound interest. The earlier you start, the less you actually need. Rule 4. Invest in your skills before you invest in anything else. A skill that earns you an extra few hundred a month is worth more than almost any portfolio at your age. You are your highest return investment. Rule 5. Build assets, not just income. A job pays you only while you work. An asset pays you even while you sleep. Spend your 20s stacking things that earn for you. Rule 6. Always protect your downside. Keep a buffer of 3 to 6 months of expenses, and never bet money you can't afford to lose. The first rule of winning long-term is staying in the game. Here's the truth nobody likes to hear. No one is coming to save your finances. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is the moment this video ends. If this helped, subscribe, because the next one shows you exactly how to build wealth from zero.